Hi, I received this lunch bag as a gift so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. I'm really excited about this because I joke with my husband that he gets hangry. And so this is actually a gift that I'm going to give to him. So let me show you all about it though. So it looks like a first aid kit. With a bite out of it. So cute. It's just so funny. This company does quirky, funny lunch bags. So it's a lot of fun. So there's a pocket on the front, and it does have the smooth lining, insulated lining there. So that's a nice thing to have. This holds like a water bottle you would buy at a store, disposable water bottle, and it has the mesh. And then this is really nice. This has the zipper, is a two-way zipper, so you can, unzip it from either way. And it will open flat like this, okay? And so this lid part has a zipper with the mesh pocket. You could throw, some utensils in there. And then you've got your main area where you're going to put your lunch. And this is nice because it has multiple layers of insulation, and then this is also wipeable, so it's easy to clean. And there's actually, there's a lot of space in this to hold a lot of lunch. So I just love this. I'm so excited to watch my husband's face when he opens this. It's just gonna be super funny. It's perfect for him. He takes his lunch to work in like a grocery sack. So this will be nice for him. Not only funny, but it'll also be nice for him to have an insulated lunch bag to carry his lunch. Oh, speaking of carrying your lunch, the handle has a buckle that you can unbuckle. So if you wanted to attach it to like a work bag or something, attach it to the outside, you could do that as well. So, emergency snack kit. I just think that's so cute. Highly recommend it. Thanks.